Ever wondered how to soothe a sore throat or calm a persistent cough with items you have at home? We're jumping into 5 easy home remedies. First, honey, a natural sweetener that soothes sore throats and reduces coughs. Second, it can relieve dry coughs with its anti-inflammatory properties. Third, hydration. Fluids and broths keep your throat moist, lessening discomfort. Fourth, saltwater gargles. An age-old remedy reducing phlegm and mucus. Fifth, steam inhalation. It can alleviate coughs and soothes the respiratory tract. Remember, these remedies don't replace professional medical advice. If symptoms persist, seek medical help immediately. Have you enjoyed this video? Share it with your friends and give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more remedies and health tips.